Hi folks, how you going? Data here. Here's my drill. Okay, I've sharpened the drill bit. We're here to show you how to use a drill. Alright, there's a lot of people out there don't know how to, well, they think they know how to use a drill, and drilling into timber, that's quite easy. Any fool can do that. Okay? But when you have a sharp drill bit, everything becomes that little bit harder. Because the problem is, the sharp drill bit grabs the fibres in the timber and locks up on it. In steel, steel's crystalline, so it grabs the thread, the steel you're drilling, and will actually wrap around and stop this thing from working. So have a look at what I do, because you have to brace yourself against the torque of the drill, and hopefully don't break the drill bit. All right, what we're going to do is put this drill through that steel. That's a bit of 5mm column. Okay, so down here, Frank, you want to probably get down on your knees so you can get down on your knees, Frankie. All right. Now, what I'm doing is I'm going to drill this. I don't have any handles, all that U-butte rubbish. Okay, you don't need it. The easiest way is without the handles, because the handles get in the way. I'm going to put my hand on top of here. This is going to want to kick like that. Okay, so how I prevent that is I put my leg against it. I also hold on to the piece that I'm working on with my feet in this instance. All right. Now I can go slow, but because of how sharp I've got this drill, I can keep it in high speed. Got to tighten her up. You see that? See how fast that was? I can go through that steel faster than you can go through timber because I've sharpened this drill bit. All right, so watch what we do. You can do steel quite easily by hand going through the steel, as long as you start learning how to sharpen your drill bits, because they don't come like this. This is specially done. I showed you on the last video. Have a look, see what you can do, and you'll be able to do it too. All right, thanks. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, much appreciated. Catch you on the next one.